Hi, and welcome to this MercuryGate Minutes. Enabling automation within the supply chain generates significant benefits and opportunities for greater efficiency. Automation will drive supply chains that rely on complete and accurate data. Instead of making assumptions, supply chain executives should focus on data-driven insights that can inform real-world decision-making. Here are just some of the benefits that automation can bring to a supply chain. Lower labor costs result from fewer manual processes. Reduce paperwork and costly errors. Increased customer service levels. Increase the attractiveness of the company to hire talent. More transparency within supply chain. Integrated, automated functions that share data between supply chain partners will enhance collaboration. More sustainability. Better freight allocation. Grocers often serve as a macro indicator of where the overall supply chain rests. A major grocer recently utilized the MercuryGate TMS to unify all data and still offer the flexibility of access to its suppliers and carriers. Manage stores across 23 states and still avoid risk. Simulate the changes that could happen, choose the best outcome, and execute on shipments. TMS automation mitigates disruptions and restores stable supply chains. The next disruption is always right around the corner. Download our new ebook to learn more about using automation with a TMS to improve efficiency, reduce costs, and have your supply chain running at optimal levels. That's all for now. Please join us again soon for another MercuryGate Minutes.